Two of North Carolina's electrical substations were attacked over the weekend, and a case in front of the U.S. Supreme Court today could undermine public accommodations laws across the country. Good morning. I'm Corva Coleman from NPR News, and here are today's top stories. The FBI has joined the investigation into who attacked two power substations in central North Carolina Saturday. Officials say the attack was deliberate. From member station WUNC, Jay Price reports tens of thousands were plunged into darkness.
Nearly 40,000 customers were without electricity Sunday in Moore County, and a power company spokesman said it could be Thursday before most have power again. County officials opened an emergency shelter and closed schools for today. Sheriff Ronnie Fields says residents would suffer badly in an extended blackout, and so would the local economy.
We're just getting over COVID. And now this, and how it's going to hurt all of our restaurants and the businesses and stuff. So it's going to hurt.
He said the FBI is helping investigate the attacks on two unmanned substations. For NPR News, I'm Jay Price in Chapel Hill, North Carolina.
The Supreme Court hears arguments today in a case that could undermine public accommodations laws across the country. As NPR's Nina Totenberg reports, at issue are laws that bar businesses from discriminating based on race, religion, gender, and sexual orientation.
Today's case pits two cherished constitutional principles against each other. On one side are laws that guarantee same-sex couples equal access to all businesses that offer their services to the public. On the other are business owners who see themselves as artists and don't want to use their talents to express a message they don't believe in. In this case, specifically, same-sex marriage. A Colorado custom web designer opposed to same-sex marriage is challenging her state's public accommodation law, which would require her to create web designs for same-sex couples if she offers wedding design services generally. Nina Totenberg, NPR News, Washington.
The U.S. Senate runoff election in Georgia comes to an end tomorrow on Election Day. Republican challenger Hershel Walker is facing Democratic incumbent Raphael Warnock. Both candidates campaigned on Sunday not far away from each other. Walker was in the Republican-leaning town of Loganville, and Warnock spoke to supporters at the University of Georgia in Athens.
If you stand with me for 2 more days, I'll stand with you for 6 more years. Let's get this thing done one more time. God bless you, Athens, Georgia.
The outcome of the race will not determine control of the U.S. Senate. Democrats won enough seats in the midterm elections to maintain their Senate majority. The world's wealthiest countries have set price caps on how much they're going to pay for Russian oil. It's $60 a barrel. This move comes as the European Union starts banning some Russian crude oil imports. It's all aimed at stopping Russia from earning money in order to finance the war in Ukraine. You're listening to NPR News from Washington.